It's a vaccination rate that many countries dream of. More than 86% of eligible Italians have received at least one jab against Covid-19. So for most workers, presenting the now required proof of vaccination or a negative test will be a formality.
Me and all my workers are vaccinated, but for our own personal interests, not because of politics or anything.
Introduced in June and now expanded to all workers in the private and public sectors, the so-called Green Pass is a widely popular measure. Polls show 2/3 of Italians are for it, in a country that was hit hard in the early months of the pandemic.
In a company as big as this, it is probably one of the main things that protects us all. I'm definitely in favor of it.
But Italy is nonetheless bracing for unrest and for protests over the Green Pass. Workers in major ports have threatened indefinite strikes. This despite being offered free COVID tests to obtain the necessary QR codes. Walkouts or even violent blockades in an already understaffed sector could create a perfect storm or cause widespread disruptions in the delivery of goods across Italy. And some dockers and truckers are being accused of using the health pass for political leverage.
The port is being used for other aims without considering the damage they do to families.
Already last weekend, anti-pass protests turned violent in Rome after far-right militants joined some 10,000 anti-vaccine protesters. The violent mob and the unrest has led to calls to ban neo-fascist groups across Italy.